Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah.
Oh, friends, today we are making the ultimate comfort food. Smothered chicken and mashed potatoes, baby. This right here finna have your eyelids heavy and your belly full. You finna be laid up somewhere after this, for real. Come on, let me show you how I made it. Yes, friend. Easy and delicious. Y'all get in the kitchen and make this. Everybody in the house will be happy and full, baby. You know the vibe. She in the kitchen. And she whipping.